Hello boys and girls, this is Mohit Agarwal here and very important announcement for all the CMA students. CMA June 21 यानी October 21 exams have been cancelled and they have been merged with December 21 exams. Yes, you heard it right. Official notification ये रहा आपके सामने. 25th September notification, merging of inter and final examination. So CMA inter and final exam, because foundation exams have already been held. Inter and final exams of June and December 21 session are going to be merged, which means that June 21 exams which were scheduled from October have been cancelled. They have been merged with December 21. Now, I'll be giving my views on it during the video only. So watch the video till very last and make sure that you are spreading the video as far as possible so that the information reaches out to everyone. This is for information of all the concerned that it has been decided to postpone inter and final examinations of June 21 session due to unavoidable circumstances. The inter and final exams scheduled from 21st to 28th October stands postponed and the June 21 examination stands merged with inter and final exams for December 21 session. With due carryover of all the relevant benefits available, including the fees payment and subject-wise exemption. You don't have to pay the fees again, obviously. But my question over here is, with all humbleness, and it is obviously not a decision of a particular person, it is a joint decision of the institute. Students and all the stakeholders, they should have been given a more clarity on what these unavoidable circumstances were. Because since last 9 months, no examinations have been conducted for intermediate and final examination. So more clarity should have been given on what the unavoidable circumstances were, because if the unavoidable circumstances were regarding difficulties in the online portal, then the examinations could have been held offline. If the real difficulty was online, the examinations could have been done offline. And the environment and the situation was conducive also for the offline examination, if at all. I don't know whether the problem was with the portal or not. So if the problem was with the examination portal, then they should have been held offline. Anyways, more clarity is required on these unavoidable circumstances, and I hope in near future we'll be getting to know what these unavoidable circumstances were. Examination form already submitted for the inter and final will remain the same. Thank you. Candidate students did not apply again, which means the June 21 term students will not have to fill up the examination form again. They have already been registered automatically for December 21. But December 21 students, obviously, when the examination form date will be available, you'll have to fill it up. Students who have submitted exam and application form for inter and final are allowed to change their examination center groups by making online application, and can add their additional group by payment of differential fees. So if you have filled up, say for example, you are in intermediate, you have filled up group 1, you can add group 2. You are in final, you have filled up group 3, you can add group 4 by paying the differential fees. Who have not applied for inter and final June 21 may apply by submitting fresh application form along with December 21 students. Okay. Examination notification, revised schedule in details will be announced soon. Still it is written over here, the December 21 examination details will be announced soon. Okay. Now already December 21 CA exams are lined up, CS exams are lined up. So I really hope that institute gets the centers and all, because all the centers are will be booked by CA institute and CS institute, because they have already pre-booked for the December slots. Let us see whether the December 21 examinations are held in December, the chances of which are very less, and most probably December 21 examinations may be held in January if the centers are not available. If they are available, they will be held in December. Okay, so this is a notification. Now what strategy should the students follow? I'll be coming with a detailed video tomorrow. Okay, and tomorrow at what time? I'll be coming with a detailed video for you guys tomorrow 4 p.m. sharp on this YouTube channel. Okay, so make sure that you join with me tomorrow 4 p.m. regarding the strategy that we have to follow after this unexpected and very surpriseful notification. Okay, mention in the comment how are you feeling, what are you feeling. Okay, with all humbleness. Thank you.